Good morning, everyone. This is a very quick tutorial to discuss the best way to create your imagined sequence and then loop back to it in your conclusion for this first speech. Even though it's discussed in one of the tutorials, I wanted to make this one a little more focused on just creating this. The key to the imagined sequence is not to connect it directly to your topic. In other words, if your topic was the oceans being polluted, don't imagine a sequence where the ocean is polluted. Imagine an ocean full of plastic and fishing nets and dead fish. There's nothing to imagine there because that's what you're going to describe in your speech. The key is to take another thing and make it relatable, such as imagine you sit down in a restaurant and the water that you're served is full of dirt and floating materials. Now you may know how the fish in the ocean feel. You see, you take a scenario that anyone can relate to, sitting down in a restaurant and getting a glass of water, and then imagine looking at that water and it's filthy and dirty. Now that leads you to a statement you can make about how polluted the oceans are. So please be creative and try to imagine a sequence that's relatable, but not directly tied to your actual topic. Okay? Then, to loop back, now that you have that glass of water being served to you scenario in your conclusion, you just need to loop back at some point and go back to that original, now the next time you're served a glass of water at a restaurant, you may begin to appreciate clean water. It's too bad the fish can't speak up for themselves. So cleaning the ocean is our responsibility. Whatever you want to say, the key to the loop back is to go to your original imagined sequence, which is not relatable, and tie back into it. Okay? That's how you do an effective imagined sequence.